Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can back up photos from iPhone. So let's go to settings first. Then you will find on top Apple ID or iCloud ID. Just click on this and then you will find iCloud here. Go to iCloud and you'll find iCloud backup, which is turned on. You can see if this turned off, it will be seen like this. Okay, but if you turned on, you must turn on to backup photos. Okay guys, so after that you'll find backup now option. Click on this backup now option to backup photos from iPhone. If you want to cancel it, you just click on this again, it will be cancelled. Okay guys, so this is how you can backup photos from iPhone. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.